Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Thank you for joining today's Words of Wisdom with prayers. First, let us give our sincere gratitude to Lord El Cantare for giving us a new life. Today's Words of Wisdom is the rules of prayer. The rules of prayer. So this year, Japan has had earthquakes and accidents since the beginning of the year. In the world as well, the wars, disasters, and earthquakes have occurred in many places. So I feel like a lot of people are getting more opportunities to pray to the God. So how are you praying? And what do you think about when you pray? In fact, there are some rules for prayer. So first of all, I would like to read some sentences from this kyoten. The 10 principles from El Cantare about the rules of prayer. So let me read from page 163. The rules of prayer. What are the rules of prayer? First, be pure in heart. I usually recommend first practicing self-reflection, then meditation, and then prayer. But when you directly start from prayer, you must first be pure in heart. Unless this first step is fulfilled, your prayers will not reach heaven, because the world that receives prayers is a pure-hearted world. Prayer is like a telephone call. It is the act of connecting lines of thought. It is also the act of directing your mind toward the heavenly world. Therefore, prayer has certain requirements, that first being purity of heart, because the world beyond this one is a world of thought. For your prayer to attune to that world, you yourself need to send out thought that correspond to that word. So first, we have learned that it is very important to pure heart in prayer. And Master Ryuho Okawa also teaches us in this kyoten that prayer must be accompanied by beauty, goodness, and love as a basic premise. The prayer without these three conditions is not true prayer. So please remember that the prayer is a spiritual telephone call, and depending on your thought, it can lead to a different world. So when you pray, please take a little time beforehand and to check your mind and to calm and relax your mind. Then also pray beautiful and good and loving prayer. So let us recite Happy Science Prayer together. Lord El Cantare, Master Ryuho Okawa, thank you very much for giving us your great light every day. We practice the principles of happiness, love, wisdom, self-reflection, and progress to make the world better with our brothers and sisters. With our gratitude, we will recite the true words spoken by Buddha, prayer to the Lord, and prayer to guardian and guiding spirits. The true words spoken by Buddha, Ryuho Okawa. There used to be the light in the great universe. The light is the energy of Buddha. People can live by this energy, and Buddha's energy has made human history. It will be supplied eternally. This eternal light comes from heaven and prevails on earth. This is the light of heaven through the prism of Buddha. There appear the 7 colors of rainbow arching over in the sky. Here you can see Buddha's mercy. Yellow is the color of teaching. White is the color of saving. Red is the color of justice. Purple is the color of obedience. Blue is the color of thinking. Green is the color of harmony. Silver is the color of progress. These 7 colors help each other, and there appears Buddha land. Buddha land is shining brightly because of gathering of bodhisattvas. This is the land of love, or the land of mercy. This is the land of wisdom, or the land of teaching. Especially, this is the land of souls rest in peace. Real souls are the children of Buddha. The children of Buddha became real human beings. Real human beings have spirituality. The spirits are immortal powers. The spirits are immortal forces. The spirits are real entities. The physical bodies are the shadows of the spirits. It means you are the boat sailing down the great river. The great river is the symbol of the course of lives. Each of you sails down as a small boat, so you need a boatman. If it were not for your own boatman, you surely go aground. This boatman really means your mind. If your mind makes a mistake, the boat breaks into pieces by a large rock, and you also need a bamboo pole. This pole is the meaning of the true words. When you go down a rapid stream, you need to pant in a stream. Then you can change your course. The true words means the teaching of Buddha. Buddha enlightened and spoke the true words, and Buddha's teaching became a gold mine. This gold mine suggests various teachings. These are another expression of Buddha's truth. It brightens up your days, or to put it another way, the fruits of Buddha's mercy. All of you, now, here, listen to me. Never lose your way, now and forever. The guiding hand has already waved. Please follow this white hand and go straightly on and on. Your lives are not limited to this world only. They have 3 aspects: the past, the present, the future. Your past have already gone by. Yes, still, your mistakes will be kept in your minds. That is a reason why you should understand other people, and you yourself should reflect on what you have done. You and others are not different. On the contrary, both are children of Buddha and brothers and sisters. Now then, love each other Let us bring up each other, and it's time to forgive each other. This is eternal law, which penetrates the present and the future. Yes, indeed, the light of the dark night. The dark night of this world is hell. It is also the same in another world. Since we came down to this world, the sun of the truth is scheduled to rise. Now, we are watching rising sun. It will shed light to the future, to invite such people to Buddha land. Now, here I command, there shall not be conflict in this world. There shall not be distrust in this world. There shall not be crime in this world. There shall not be evil spirit in this world. There shall not be the devil in the next world. Only the ideal world, utopia, shall be realized. All of the people love each other, live harmoniously, believe in one another. That world is utopia. All of us could be the light of bodhisattvas, believing that the light has reality, believing that love has reality, believing that the truth has reality. These are the facts that should be conveyed. We, the light of bodhisattvas, get together, work together to keep right mind and live in tune with Buddha's words. Here we vow to do so. Prayer to the Lord. Our Lord El Cantare, you are the source of all light, all power, all wisdom, and all love. May you give us light, give us power, give us wisdom, and give us love. O Lord, our Father, please protect this planet of love, Earth. Protect us from all evil and open a future for us. O Lord, thank you for giving us light. We give thanks from the bottom of our hearts. Prayer to guardian and guiding spirits. My guardian and guiding spirits, deep inside of me, you are the fountain of life, the light of hope, the source of wisdom, and the shield of courage. Every day, may you help me develop my soul and refine my mind. Every day, may you give me inspiration and show me the right path to follow. Please protect me from all evil and guide me in living a better life. For this, I give my thanks. Thank you for joining. Have a wonderful day.